Have you ever wondered how YouTube always seems to know exactly what videos you want to watch? It feels like magic, right? One minute you're watching a video about building the ultimate Lego castle, and the next, your entire recommended feed is filled with epic Lego creations, stop-motion battles, and even tutorials on how to build a Lego car that actually drives. How does it do that? Does YouTube have a crystal ball? Can it read your mind? Well, the answer is a little less magic and a lot more science. It's all thanks to something called an algorithm, which is like a super smart recipe that YouTube's computers follow. Think about a super smart observant robot. This robot doesn't actually have feelings or opinions. It just loves one thing: patterns. It's a pattern spotting super detective. So, what kind of patterns is this YouTube detective looking for? It's watching everything you do on the platform. Let's break it down. First, it looks at what you click. Imagine you're scrolling through your homepage. You see a video about funny cat moments, a video about a new video game, and a video about how to draw a dragon. If you click on the dragon video, the algorithm makes a little note. This person is interested in drawing dragons. It's the very first clue. But just clicking isn't enough. The next, and maybe most important, clue is how long you watch a video. This is called watch time. If you click on that dragon drawing video and watch it all the way to the end, the algorithm gets really excited. It thinks, wow, they didn't just click on this, they really liked it. They watched the whole thing. It's like giving the video a gold star. Now, what if you click on the video, watch for 10 seconds, and then decide it's not for you and click away? The algorithm notices that too. It makes a different kind of note. Okay, they were a little curious about this dragon video, but it didn't hold their attention. Maybe it wasn't what they were looking for. This tells the algorithm that maybe this specific type of drawing tutorial, or maybe even this specific creator, isn't your favorite. Your actions speak louder than words to the algorithm. Every time you hit the like button, you're basically shouting, "Hey, algorithm, I love this. Show me more stuff just like it." A like is a powerful signal. The dislike button does the opposite. It tells the algorithm, "Nope, not a fan of this one. Please don't show me things like this again." Subscribing to a channel is another huge clue. When you subscribe, you're telling YouTube that you trust this creator and want to see everything new they post. The algorithm sees this as a sign of high interest and will not only show you more videos from that creator, but also from other creators who make similar content. It thinks, if they like this gaming channel, they'll probably like these other 5 gaming channels that play the same games. Even sharing a video with a friend or adding it to a playlist sends a message. It tells the algorithm that you found the content so good, you wanted to save it or show it to someone else. And what about the comments? While the algorithm doesn't read your comments to understand your opinions, the act of commenting itself shows that you were really engaged with the video. You cared enough to spend time writing something. So the algorithm gathers all these clues: the videos you click, how long you watch them, the ones you like or dislike, the channels you subscribe to, and the videos you share or comment on. It takes all of this information from you and from millions of other people and puts it all together. It starts to see connections. It notices that people who like videos about Minecraft survival also tend to like videos about Minecraft building challenges. It sees that people who watch science experiment videos often also watch videos about cool space facts. This collection of information is called data. The algorithm uses this data to build a profile of your interests. It's not a profile with your name or photo, but more like a list of topics and video styles it thinks you enjoy. It's like a custom-made menu just for you. Using this profile, the algorithm then makes predictions. This is where the recommendation part comes in. It looks at a video you just finished and asks, based on everything I know about this person, and everything I know about what other people like, what's the very best video to show them next? It sifts through billions of videos to find the ones that have the highest chance of you clicking and watching for a long time. That's why your recommended section looks the way it does. It's a personalized collection of videos that the algorithm guesses you will find interesting. It's trying to keep you on YouTube for as long as possible by showing you a never-ending stream of content it thinks you'll love. But here's the thing. The algorithm isn't perfect. It's just making educated guesses based on past behavior. Have you ever gotten a really weird recommendation and thought, why on earth would YouTube think I want to watch that? It happens. Maybe you watched one video on a random topic out of curiosity, and suddenly the algorithm thinks you're a huge fan. For example, you might watch one video about how to fix a leaky faucet because you had to help a parent, and for the next week, YouTube keeps suggesting plumbing tutorials. Whoops! The algorithm doesn't understand context. It doesn't know you were just trying to solve a one-time problem. It only sees the pattern. Watch the plumbing video to the end. Must like plumbing. This is when your choices become really important. If you ignore those weird recommendations, the algorithm will eventually learn. By not clicking, you're teaching it, nope, that was a mistake. I'm not actually into plumbing. This is why it's a good idea to pause and think about your choices online. Look at your recommended feed right now. Can you guess why each video is there? You might see a video from a channel you subscribe to. That's an easy one. You might see a video on a topic you've watched a lot of recently. Makes sense. But what about that strange one in the corner? Can you trace it back to something you watched last week or even last month? It's like being a detective in your own viewing history. Understanding how this works gives you more control. You are the one training your personal YouTube algorithm. The more mindful you are about what you click, watch, and engage with, the better your recommendations will become. You are the teacher, and the algorithm is your student, constantly learning from you. So next time you're amazed that YouTube suggested your new favorite video, you'll know exactly how it happened. It wasn't magic, it was you. You taught the YouTube algorithm what you like through every single click, watch, and like. It's a powerful reminder that our choices online create our own digital world. Now that we know how AI helps YouTube understand what you like, what about understanding how you feel? In our next video, we're going to explore a fascinating question. Can AI tell your mood just by looking at you or listening to your voice? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it might be closer to reality than you think. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.